Hey guys, it's Shamsa and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you a restaurant inspired classic dish, mushroom rice. Now the recipe is so easy that honestly you can make it at home. It's earthy, it's got that umami flavour, and if you love mushrooms then this recipe is for you. So please make sure you watch right till the end and show your support by subscribing and turning on the bell notifications. So let's start. So the ingredients you're going to need is as follows. I've got here white button mushrooms and I've sliced them fairly thinly. And if you're wondering whether I wash my mushrooms, I actually don't. I used to, but I've stopped doing that because when you wash them, they release a lot more moisture and I don't want that. And believe it or not, the restaurants and takeaways don't actually wash mushrooms at all. I've got here long grain basmati rice, which has been washed and has been soaking for approximately half an hour. And if you're wondering what rice I use BT extra long basmati rice, which I highly recommend. We need oil. I've got here vegetable stock that I've made using stock cubes. I've got an onion which I finely diced. I've got freshly minced garlic, and I have, for garnishing purposes, I've got spring onions. These are optional, you don't have to add this in, but I do recommend this, and that's all you need. So let's start cooking. Right, I've got here a large pot, and I always recommend using a large pot when you're making rice, no matter how much of a small amount you make. Because rice absorbs water and it expands, you want to use a bigger pot than the actual amount of rice that you're using. And I've got my hob on, which is on a high heat setting for my gas hob. And I'm going to add around 2 tablespoons of oil into that, approximately, like that. Just let that heat up. And you want it nice and hot. And when that's nice and hot, I'm going to add half of the sliced mushrooms in there, and we're going to cook them on high heat for approximately 5 minutes. And that goes. Right, so we're going to cook this now for 5 minutes on high heat. Now don't be tempted to turn your heat setting down to a low, because what that'll do is that'll start the process where the mushrooms will start to release their own natural moisture, the juices, and that's not what we want. We want to caramelize these. We want them to be golden brown, and I'll show you how they look in around 5 minutes time. Trust the process. Just do keep stirring them so you're moving them around. So this is how the mushrooms should be looking, lovely and golden. And I'm just going to add a little bit of salt and black pepper into that and just mix that through. Like that, just to season them. I've just turned my hob setting down to a low, and I'm going to take these out and just transfer them to a plate and just set them aside. So in the same pot, I'm going to add a further tablespoon of oil and around 2 tablespoons of butter, just like that, straight in. And then I'm going to add the onions and the garlic, and we're just going to fry this for approximately 30 seconds. And after 30 seconds, I'm going to add the remaining mushrooms. And again, I'm going to fry them for approximately 5 minutes on medium heat. So I'm just going to turn my gas settings up to a medium and just let them cook and caramelize now for 5 minutes. And I'll show you how they look once they're done. Right, okay, so it's been 5 minutes that the mushrooms and the onions have been cooking away. And you can see that beautiful color on the onions. And into this, I'm going to add my strained washed rice. And I'm also going to add a little bit of that stock that we've got, just to deglaze the pan from the bottom. So I've also changed my spoon because I don't want to break the rice grains. And you can see that the rice will take on that lovely color because of those onions that were caramelized. And now I'm just going to add the stock straight in, like that. I'm just going to turn my hob settings to a high to allow it to come up to the boil. Right, so that's boiling away now. Don't touch this. Just allow the moisture in there to evaporate, and then I'll show you what to do next. Right, so you can see that the moisture in there has evaporated, and I've just turned my hob setting down to the lowest gas setting on my hob. And I'm just going to pop the lid on like this, and I'm going to steam the rice, which is also known as giving dum to the rice, for 10 minutes. For the next 10 minutes, don't touch this. After that, we'll finish the dish off, but the whole process of steaming the rice ensures that the grains are soft and fluffy and separated. So I'll see you guys back in 10 minutes time. Right, it's been 10 minutes that the rice has been steaming away on dum, and I'm just going to turn my hob off and I'm going to remove the lid to show you. And at this stage, I'm going to add mushrooms into that, along with the spring onions, and just gently stir everything through. But can you just see that rice is cooked to perfection? And there you have it, guys, my easy mushroom rice made at home in under 30 minutes. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.